Okay, go ahead, please. Go ahead. I'm listening.
The challah that's in the freezer, can only one be from the freezer, or can both of them be prepared? It was my understanding that in theory, there's two questions in one actually here. One is which challah can be frozen, if not both, just one. And then my second question is to do the blessing over the taking of challah, how much flour do you have to use? Is it 2.5 pounds or 5 pounds, or is it in between?
No, so now you mixing things together. So let's start from first question is very simple. So we said that one challah can be from freezer. Why? Because even though we have this mitzvah lechem mishnah, we need to have two breads, but you're going to eat from one. Usually people eat from one bread, right? I mean, if it's tiny, tiny like a roll, so like you would need two. But otherwise, like if it's normal size of challah, so you would eat from one. So since you're not going to eat from second one anyway, so it could be frozen. But if you take two frozen challahs, how is it going to work? Right? It's like it's like a stone. You understand? It's not inedible. So it's first question. Second, it's when you say challah, I apologize. It is confusing. Challah means breads, not the piece that we separate. Piece that we separate from challah, from bread, is also called challah, but it's different story. It's actually proper not to separate from challah, but from dough. When you mix in the dough, you make in bread, so that's when you separate this piece of dough, and we call it also challah. But when you bake this dough into challah, that's what we call challah. Also, so one same word from two different things.